How to fix JPEG recovery or repair corrupted or damaged JPEG files. So if you want to repair corrupted or damaged JPEG files, then what you need to do is open up your file explorer or your file manager. Go with your JPEG files. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a file right here. And once you've selected your file, what you need to do is just simply go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. And then you will have an option of save as. Click on it. You need to just rename it, and after renaming, as you can see that in my case this save as type is PNG, but if in your case it is JPG, then you need to go with the drop down, and here you need to go and change it. Like for example, if I select JPG and save it, then this is a JPG file. If you right click and then open it, go with the three dots which will be on the top, go with save as, and select any other. After that, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.